lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pia. It is currently 6 a.m. on Sunday, which means it is Enhypen day. Enhypen day. I am so excited for today. It's gonna be a long one for sure because I'm driving from Newport, Oregon all the way up to Tacoma, Washington. That is like a 5 to 6 hour drive. And then we're going to be doing some things in the area, and then we're gonna be getting ready for the concert and then heading to the concert. It's gonna be so much fun, so like I'm not even worried about being tired. Just got done getting ready for the day. This is just my daily outfit. I have another outfit for the actual concert, which is super cute. I'm ready to go, so I will see you guys in the car. We just went to like the cutest K-pop store ever, and that's because one, it was just really cute and they had a photo booth inside, but there's also a cat cafe down the street. Anyways, not the point. They had Taeyang's cinema roll photo card binder in there, so obviously had to get it. ASMR. Getting flashbacks to my vlogs in like 2022, 2023. It's so cute, and it came with this cute little Taeyang cutout, so you can put it there. Oh, it's for photo strips. Wait, that's even better because I have so many. Oh, hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I've been wanting one of these actually. I didn't know it was a film. And look, I just took some. Perfect. My mom got a Stray Kids in Life album, yellow version, because she doesn't have this one yet, so I'm gonna do an unboxing for her. Maybe. Need help. She got it open, y'all. She got it open. Okay. I'm kind of scared. Vocal Ratcha. Oh yeah. Ah!
Do you have that one?
No, I don't have any of Hyunjin from this era. Cutest couple of the century. Oh my god. Double-sided too. Oh, he's doing the... Wait, go watch Queen of Tears if you don't understand that. Oh, cute. Where's your man? That's her man right there. It's a little, there he is. Oh, our man. Okay. Yes. I'm currently at my hotel, as you guys can tell. That rhymed. I'm about to get ready for the concert. I need to redo my makeup, fix my curls, get in my outfit, do my hair besides my curls. I have my outfit here on the bed and my bag. So let's go.
What the dog doing?
Check. We are on our way to the concert. I'm so excited. Ah! Can you blame me?
Engine is because engine and it happens always. Connect! Give me step. Hey, spin the move, feeling kinda strong. Hey. Oh yeah. Okay, Angie, say you wait for us. This has been